Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look at the corrections from the comprehension that I gave you on Tuesday, okay? So we're just going to run through these quickly, and then I'm going to give you just a little written piece to do for me for Tuesday, which will form part of your overall assessment, okay, for your summer results. So just want to do the question, okay? So the first question was ¿Cuántas turistas visitan anualmente la ciudad de Buenos Aires? And here I just said visitan más de 10 millones, so more than 10 million, okay? ¿Cuántas paradas hace el Buenos Aires autobús? How many stops does it make? I said hace 24 paradas. There's 24 stops. ¿Qué hay en la Plaza de Mayo? There was lots, so I just want to shout these out. Hay la Catedral Metropolitana, la Casa Rosada, el Monumento, y al General Manuel Belgrano. So there's lots there, okay? ¿Qué hay en San Telmo todos los domingos? What is there in San Telmo? Hay una feria de antigüedades. So una feria de antigüedades, so like antiques market. ¿Qué es el Boca Juniors? So I said, es un equipo de fútbol. It's a football team. F, ¿cuánto cuesta visitar al museo? I said here, cuesta casi. Casi here is almost 8 euros. Cost almost 8 euros, or I think it says here, cuesta 140 pesos, so 140 pesos. ¿Qué hay en el barrio de la Boca? So what is in the barrio de la Boca? In the Boca area, hay restaurantes, terrazas, is like where you can sit out and have a coffee, y bailarinas de tango, tango shows, dances or shows. ¿Qué es el mate? Mate es un tipo de té, it's a type of tea. ¿Qué se puede hacer en el parque? There was lots here. En el parque se puede, you can dar un paseo, go for a walk. Un recorrido en barco, a recorrido en barco por el lago, go on a tour of the lake and the boat. Comer o simplemente apreciar la belleza, enjoy the beauty. The words in English to translate, so places of interest with lugares de interés, we can see that there, yeah, lugares de interés. Football fans, aficionados de fútbol. Souvenir, where your recuerdos, recuerdos. Historically was históricamente. Antiques, antigüedades. And to go for a walk was dar un paseo, P-A-S-E-O. Is that okay? So hopefully that was okay for you. I know there was lots of vocab, so make sure you took down the vocab, and hopefully the questions were okay for you. So we're just going to have a look now at the next thing. So what I want you to do for me is, just going to zoom this out. So what I want you to do is, I want you to have a look at, I'm going to get you to do a written piece on, and the title of your written piece is going to be called Mi vida durante la cuarentena. La cuarentena is the quarantine, so my life during the quarantine. The reason I say this is because I think it's quite topical, and a lot of this can be linked into your daily routine vocab that you use at the start of just before Christmas, January time. So a lot of this links into this, and we have a few different things. So what I want you to do is I want you to write through just your life, your daily routine, your life during the quarantine. Now these are some ideas I have. You don't have to use them, but you can use as many as you want. Como quieres, okay? So the first thing you can start off with is me levanto a las. So you can say I get up at. Now, see if you want to say I get up at 8:30, you can say me levanto a las 8:30, for instance. Okay, so me levanto a las 8:30, okay? Okay, so maybe that's the next thing. Maybe that's the first thing to do. If you get up at maybe 11 or 2, I don't care. Tell me what time you get up normally at, okay? Tell me then, desayuno a las. I have breakfast at maybe a las 10, maybe at 9 or at 10 or a las 9, okay? Tell me then what you eat. Como I eat. So como cereales, pan tostado, como whatever you have, una naranja, an orange, whatever you have, bebo, té, café, agua, whatever. So, como I eat, bebo I drink. So tell me what you eat in breakfast thing. If you don't have breakfast, just put down no desayuno, okay? Then maybe I have these kind of all mixed up, so I'll just go run through. Maybe you have a shower, me ducho, okay? Me ducho. See that? Okay, so here we got me ducho. Me ducho is I have a shower. Me ducho, yeah, I have a shower. Okay, so maybe me ducho Yeah. Then you can say, me pongo mi ropa, what do you wear? So llevo, tell me what you wear. Maybe you wear una camiseta, or maybe you wear un, or maybe you wear me pijamas, you wear your pajamas all day. Yeah, so think, have a wee look up close. So start off, me pongo mi ropa, and tell me, so you can say, or maybe llevo vaqueros, I wear jeans. Llevo vaqueros azules, I wear blue jeans. Un jersey, a jumper, zapatillas de deportes, runners, whatever you want, okay? Then I've got here, this one here's the one you can doy un paseo. Sorry, the light is not great here. So here I've got doy un paseo por. So doy un paseo means I go for a walk. Doy un paseo por, maybe you say por 30 minutos, I go for 30 minutes. Okay, maybe corro por, maybe go corro por una hora, maybe go running, or hago ejercicio, I do some exercise. Okay, hago ejercicio. Okay, so I do exercise. You can tell me what exercise you do. Okay, just that's an idea for a bit of exercise to do. Okay, doy un paseo con mi perro. I go for a walk with my dog. Por maybe it's una hora, 30 minutos, maybe it's 10 minutos, whatever you do. Okay. I'll come back to this one in a minute. Then I've got hago los deberes en mi ordenador. I do my homework on my computer. If you don't, you can say hago los deberes en mi portátil. Mi portátil is my laptop. Maybe hago los deberes en mi móvil. I do my homework on my phone. Then you can add in as well. Tengo muchos deberes. I have lots of homework. Maybe you don't have lots of homework. No tengo muchos deberes. But once again, just something you can add in as well. Okay, so that's what you can do with your homework. At the very end of the written piece, you can say me acuesto a las. I go to bed at. What time do you go to bed at? Me acuesto a las 8. I'll just write in here. I go to bed. Okay, so I go to bed. Maybe me acuesto a las 11. I go to bed at 11. Maybe a las 12. Maybe a la una. Remember, if it's una, it has to be a la. You take away the s if you're chatting with one. A la una or a las dos. Okay. You can also say before you go to bed, uso las redes sociales. I use social media. Yeah? Yeah, you can say hablo con mis amigos. I talk with my friends. Okay? Here I've just put another idea. Ayudo con las tareas domésticas. Maybe you help out at home. And then we did those tareas domésticas way back at the start of second. You can say, for instance, arreglo mi dormitorio. I tidy my room. Hago mi cama or hago la cama. I make the bed. Frigo los platos. Yeah. Pongo la mesa. I set the table. Saco la basura. I take out the rubbish. So there's loads there. Limpio la cocina. Yeah. Hago la compra. I go do the shopping. Yeah. So there's loads there you can use for that there. Ayudo con las tareas domésticas. Yeah. You could even link that into pocket money. Do you get dinero de bolsillo? Do you get pocket money? Dinero de bolsillo is your pocket money. So maybe you get pocket money there, okay? And you can chat loads about that there. Veo la televisión. Maybe you watch loads of TV, yeah? Veo la televisión. You can tell me what your favorite program is. Mi programa favorito es. What's your favorite TV program? Mi programa favorito es, okay? Then you can say as well, paso mucho tiempo con mi familia. I'm spending lots of time with my family. You can put that in as well if you want, okay? Maybe what do you do with your family? Maybe you play games, yeah? You can look up board games there if you want it. Maybe you don't. So that's just an idea. The last two things then that I've purposely left last is this one here. So this first one, so echo de menos means I miss. Echo de menos translates as I miss. Now, here's a couple examples. You can say, echo de menos mis amigas. Maybe I miss my friends. Echo de menos el colegio. I miss school. Or you can say, echo de menos mis profesores. I miss my teachers. It can be anything at all. Echo de menos el fútbol gálico. I miss Gaelic football. Echo de menos ir de compras. I miss going shopping. So that could be something that you miss. Okay, you can put that at the end. And here's another way you can say tengo ganas de. Tengo ganas de doesn't really translate well in Spanish, but it just literally means I really want to. That's really nice Spanish. So tengo ganas de. So one here maybe I've got down. So you can say tengo ganas de. You can choose one. Salir, to go out. Salir a la discoteca. Or tengo ganas de ver mis amigos. To see my friends. Or tengo ganas de volver al colegio, to go back to school. So it can be anything at all that you think or you can make up there. So anything at all that you think that you really want to do after this is funny. So what I want you to do, just to recap, is I want you to write about your typical routine during the quarantine. I want you to do it logically. Now, start. I get up, me levanto. Maybe you have desayuno. Maybe me ducho. Me pongo mi ropa. Maybe doy un paseo. You go for a walk, or you go for a coro. I go for a run, or hago ejercicio. I do exercise. Tell me then you do your homework. Hago los deberes en mi ordenador or on your portátil or whatever. Tengo muchos deberes or no tengo muchos deberes. Just tell me all about your daily routine. So start in the morning, work your way through, and then just put that down 10 to 15 lines or so. Is that okay? And I'll hopefully get that corrected next week. So muchas gracias, chicas.